Using integration to find the average value of a function. The graph of the function f of x, this quadratic, is shown here. We are asked to find the average value between the limits of 1 and 4. The average value is the area between these limits divided by the difference between the limits. So it's 1 over the difference between the limits multiplied by the area, which is the integral between the limits of the function. So this is our formula for average value. In this question, we're told 1 is the lower limit, so that's our a value, and 4 is the upper limit, so that's our b value. The distance between 1 and 4 is 3, or 4 minus 1 is 3. So we're going to divide the area by 3, and that will give us the average height. So in this question, we have 1 over 3 times the limit is 4 to 1 of the function x squared minus 4x plus 5 dx. We're going to integrate this. When we integrate it, we increase the power by 1 divided by the new power. So it becomes x cubed divided by 3 minus 4x squared divided by 2 plus 5x plus c, the constant of integration. And we're going to evaluate this for the inputs 4, take away the input 1. Because this is a definite integral, the constant of integration will be eliminated. So we evaluated, I'll do it quickly here, we're going to sub in the value 4 for x and evaluate it, and take away the answer when we sub in 1 for x. You could use a calculator at this stage to speed up this calculation. And we see it all evaluates to be 2. So 2 is the average value. Does this make sense in terms of our question? We would see if we subbed 1 into the function, we would get an output of 2. If we subbed 4 in, we'd get an output of 5. And we see there's points below this. So we could see, looking at this function, yeah, that 2 is kind of in the middle range. It probably makes sense in terms of the question that an answer 2 is a reasonable average output value for this function.